Today's video is just going to show a quick little overview of some of the items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. A lot of these items I'm going to be using in some crafts that I plan on doing. So one of the items that I found were all of these succulents. They have them in different sizes. I bought a bunch of the smaller size. They come in a larger size as well. I felt like the smaller ones looked a little more realistic than the larger ones. They do have some larger ones that are nice. I thought this one was pretty, and I grabbed this larger succulent for some craft ideas that I have. These come in all different little colored pots. Some have words on them. Some of them are plain. Like this one says, "Believe in yourself." I don't really plan on using these in the pots that they come in. So what you can do is you can actually pull the succulent free pretty easily from the styrofoam, and it just comes on like a little pick. So you can use these in any craft that you would want to use, or in a different display container if you want to. You can also remove the styrofoam from the little container pretty easily. You can just push it down. It's like glued around the edges. So if you kind of push down evenly, you can hear it like creak and crack and kind of break free from the glue. And then you can easily take something sharp and kind of just pull it out. So you can do a decorative application on the container or use them separate. So it's kind of nice that it comes apart easily depending on how you want to use these for a craft. Another thing I found was this little ceramic frog. They have some little garden statues or miniature little statues, and I just thought the frog was really cute. I'll put him outside in my little garden. I got some wood. I got like 2 little wood crates, this little wood plaque to just do some crafting with. Also, they have these nice glass containers that can really be used for a lot of different decorative stuff. I found this sign that says hello. I have a project in mind for this. It's really cute the way it is, but you can also change it up if you wanted to. And then I found some cotton nautical rope and some like jute rope. This can be used for so many different decorating ideas or crafting. Then I also found some mesh ribbon. It has a really like natural look to it. This also comes in like brown, gray, and white, I think, but I got the natural color. Then I also found this floral ribbon. It's like a birch bark, it looks like. And they also had this metal ribbon in the floral section. It has some different patterns that you can find. I picked out this one. I also grabbed these mini votive candles. I haven't seen them in this size before, so I really liked those. And then I grabbed some different mosses. So they had some reindeer moss, some floral moss, and some Spanish moss. So I grabbed those. And then I found these pebbles that I thought were a really pretty color in this like aqua bluish color, as well as some white stones. And then I also found some of these bamboo rings. They come in 2 sizes. You get a smaller and a larger size. These can be used for a lot of different things, so I grabbed some of those. They also have these plastic like terrarium containers. And then they had some nice pots. So I grabbed this color because I thought it was actually a really nice color pot for $1.25. So these are some of the items that I recently purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I will be making a craft with these, especially the succulents that I should be putting out soon. So thanks for watching and have a great day.